You can see that lower one's pretty corroded and looks like some of the strands are broken. This thing was real loose. It won't tighten anymore. Okay, we're using some of these 10 snips. I don't know if you can do this with wire cutters. Look at how corroded out that wire is. That thing is in bad shape there. And then this one we can just bolt onto the new one. Okay, it wasn't as bad as well, I cut it back more. I cut it back like another ½ inch or something because it was all corroded. And if you cut back, see, this is all good now. But it was totally corroded all the way through. And then I did this side also. And it's good. I cut that one back to another ½ inch to get rid of all the corroded wire. And I'll clean that up a little bit. And then it wasn't as hard as I thought. I just kind of scored it and then worked it off. The sheathing, the jacket, I worked the jacket off and it came off pretty easy actually. And now I kind of pulled this one out of the harness a little bit, and it looks like it's going to be long enough still. Got a little to work with here, and here's the new clamp. And then that other wire, I'll pop it on one of these. But basically it's going to go in here. I'm going to loosen these. This comes up and you put it in there. Hope this helps. Leave a comment. Actually took that other wire and put it on top there. I was going to put it here, but it's like a main wire that goes to this relay for the back door, it looks like. I'm not sure, but I put a new connector on there and it wasn't actually bad. So it might have been okay to leave this old thing on there. I've cleaned it up before, but yeah, that doesn't look too good. And I'm going to clean up this ground wire too. But that's looking a lot better, and this one's actually, I can tighten that one up good. But yeah, the ground doesn't look as bad. So we'll test that out. Just want to make sure you give these a good tug test to make sure they don't slip out. You want those in there really good. You don't want those coming out and bouncing around, so you want to, pull on those real good, make sure they're not going to come out. Try to get them out of there. If they don't come out, they're good. But tighten the hell out of those.